Away they go. Bootlegs from the outside, prying eyes in the middle. New Golden City down on the inside, running by the Mr. Saber. Abun's Treasure, The Chosen One, and Biodata is the early trailer. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. New Golden City, Mr. Saber, Prying Eyes from the outside. Abun's Treasure is running in fourth by some 3 lengths. The Chosen One, Bootleg second last. And Biodata is running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Prying Eyes by ahead. New Golden City down on the inside. Mr. Saber is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Abun's Treasure, The Chosen One. Bootlegs racing from the outside, and Biodata is still running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. New Golden City by ahead. Prying Eyes from the outside. As Prying Eyes, New Golden City still matching the strides together as they round the far turn. Prying Eyes and New Golden City down on the inside. Abun's Treasure, Mr. Saber, The Chosen One, Bootlegs, and Biodata as they race the final corner. Prying Eyes from the outside. New Golden City down on the inside, still matching the strides together. New Golden City by the route. Prying Eyes from the outside. Prying Eyes, New Golden City. New Golden City, Prying Eyes still fighting it out for the lead. New Golden City, Prying Eyes, New Golden City, Prying Eyes, New Golden City doing the better. Prying Eyes second, third, close. Abun's Treasure, Bootlegs for A, The Chosen One, Biodata, and Mr. Saber.